Welcome to the enchanting world of ornamental birds, where beauty and melody meet. Today, we'll discover what makes these feathered friends so special. Ornamental birds are not just any birds, they are the gems of the avian world, selected from their stunning plumage, sweet songs, and charming personalities. These birds are often kept for their aesthetic appeal. Take the majestic peafowl for an example, with its iridescent feathers and iconic tail display. Native to India and Sri Lanka, these birds are a symbol of grace and beauty. Or the playful budgie, a member of the parrot family, known for its array of colors and friendly nature. Native to Australia, budgies bring a touch of the wild into our homes. Ornamental birds aren't just pretty faces. They have unique needs, from the right diet to spacious cages. Their care is as important as their beauty. So, whether you are a seasoned bird enthusiast or a curious onlooker, ornamental birds offer a window into nature's artistry. Thank you for joining us on this feathery journey. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more avian adventures.